Have you noticed that Google Chrome isn't warning you about performance problems anymore? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Chrome's performance issue alerts so you can be notified when something is slowing down your browser. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu that appears, select Settings. On the left side, click on Performance. Here you'll find several options designed to help Chrome run more efficiently. Scroll through the page until you find Performance Issue Alerts. If this setting is turned off, Chrome won't notify you when it detects problems that could affect your browsing experience. Simply turn the toggle on. Once enabled, Chrome can alert you when certain tabs, extensions, or background processes are using too many resources and causing the browser to slow down. This can be especially useful if Chrome feels sluggish, takes longer to load pages, or starts using more memory than usual. Turning on performance issue alerts gives you an easy way to spot potential problems before they start affecting your browsing experience.